Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. I'm Mohammad Shakil, your Oracle Utilities Application Framework Assistant. In this session, we'll begin laying the foundation for installation process. I have structured today's walkthrough into three simple steps. Our primary focus is to prepare the environment, that is setting up the required tools and ensuring that the base server is properly configured. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about MobaXterm, which is lightweight but powerful terminal application. It provides built-in SSH support along with an integrated X11 server, which makes it really useful when working with GUI-based installations on Linux. We'll start by downloading the MobaXterm Portable Edition. I will also walk you through a few useful customizations, such as enabling the dark theme and adjusting terminal fonts for a better SSH experience. It's up to you though, how you would like to set up your working environment. Next, we will connect to our server running Oracle Enterprise Linux 8 and begin the initial system preparation. That includes applying the latest system updates and verifying the operating system version. Then we will move on to some basic configuration tasks. These are important for the upcoming sessions in this series. Uh, that is setting up the host name and updating the host file to ensure proper communication between the application server and the database server. Rather than explaining every command in detail, this walkthrough is designed as a quiet, easy to follow visual guide. You can simply watch the steps on the screen and follow along at your own pace. For your reference, I will also share all the commands in the video description. Let's prepare the environment and begin our OUAF application installation journey. That brings us to the end of this session. Join me in the next session as we continue preparing our environment for the database server installation. In that session, we'll walk through how to install Oracle 19c pre-installation binaries on Oracle Enterprise Linux. Thank you.